Hello, and welcome to Colorado Springs Hypnosis, your resource for hypnosis and personal empowerment. In this video, we're going to be using emotional freedom technique to lower feelings of anxiety. If you'd like to learn how to tap, feel free to check out our tapping video in the link below. And for this video, you can just repeat what I say and copy the movements that I do. So without further ado, let's get started tapping on feelings of anxiety. So before we get started, I do want you to do two things. The first thing is, I want you to take a moment to notice where inside of you are you feeling this feeling of anxiety. Is it in your head or in your chest, your heart? Is it in your stomach? Are you feeling it all throughout your body? So go ahead and take a moment to notice just where you're feeling it now. Excellent. And then the next thing that I want you to do is, as you're feeling this anxiety, I want you to take a quick moment to notice, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you feeling this anxiety? And go ahead and take a moment to do that now. So let's go ahead and start tapping away now. Tap on the side of the hand and say, even though I'm feeling this anxiety, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm really feeling this anxiety in I am choosing to let it go. Even though I've really been feeling these feelings of anxiety, I know everything is going to be okay. Go ahead, tap between the eyebrows. I let this anxiety go. Tap the side of the eye. I let it go completely. Underneath the eye. It's not helping me. It's not helping me make decisions. It's not helping me get done the things I need to get done. So I let this anxiety go. I let it go completely. Get out of here. You are unwelcome, anxiety. Go ahead, take a nice deep breath. Now I'd like you to go ahead and, again, take a moment to feel within your body. Notice if you're still feeling it in the same place or if it's perhaps gotten smaller. And of course, go ahead and notice again, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you feeling those feelings of anxiety? Have they gone down maybe 3 points or 4 points? Have they gone down completely? If you do still feel a little bit of angst, let's go ahead and do another tapping round. So go ahead and tap here again and say, even though I'm feeling a little bit of this anxiety, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm still feeling this anxiety a little bit, I'm continuing to let it go until it's completely gone. Even though I still feel a tiny bit of anxiety, I'm letting it leave my body now. So I let it go completely. I let it drain completely out of my body because it's not helping me, because I don't need it, because I don't want it. And it's time to just relax. Take a nice deep breath. Excellent. And of course, if you're still feeling a tiny bit, feel free to watch this video again. But otherwise, I hope that it has been very helpful, and I hope that you can continue to use this technique whenever you need to for whatever emotions that are bothering you. So until then, I hope you have an absolute wonderful day. Please do like, subscribe, share with anyone who could use it, and I'll see you again soon.